FSHP Clinical Skills Competition is actually a great opportunity for pharmacy students to really sort of sharpen their skills and practice working out a patient. When you become a pharmacist, or even for that matter when you go into your rotations, say in your last year of pharmacy school, you're going to be part of a sort of a medical team, and you're going to be rounding often with physicians and pharmacists, nurses and other healthcare providers as well. And they're going to really look to you to make a contribution and identify the drug therapy problems that patients are experiencing and making recommendations about what you feel the medical team ought to do about it.
So I think it's a wonderful experience. We have students that have participated, I think at least 3 years in a row since I've been doing this. So I think they really get a lot out of it. They get to know the faculty members very well, which is important. A lot of us are program directors and can help with those students that are pursuing residencies. Speaking of residencies, I think it definitely helps you prepare for a residency. It looks good on your CV if you've participated in those type of things, because it's above and beyond what you have to do.
I'm somebody who participated in it at my College of Pharmacy from the time I was a first year until the time I was a fourth year, and I may not have won the competition, but I learned a lot about myself, and it definitely helped me when I was going into my advanced practice rotations in evaluating a patient case and prioritizing a patient plan. As a first year student in my College of Pharmacy not too long ago, I participated in a competition on and tackled a patient case with neurosyphilis, which is something I had no idea about, had not even touched an antibiotic in terms of med-chem or anything like that. So clinical skills competition just opened me up to that disease state and how to work through that problem. I mean, I had all the resources there. I may have spent a little bit more time on them than I did as I went through as a student. But it was a great way to realize what resources are there and to learn how to use them.
I think it kind of gives a little more real world experience, especially to those who aren't fourth years yet and haven't been on rotations. It can kind of jumpstart you to kind of see what it'll be like when you do go on rotations. You know, like I said, you're not going to have days to work up one patient. You're going to have, an hour, maybe an hour or two.
To participate in your local competition, all you need to do is sign up. The top 2 teams for each local competition will go on to participate in the all-campus competition, and the top team from the all-campus competition will go on to represent you at the national competition.
So while the competition is primarily geared to pharmacy students that are probably at the 2 or 3 or even the 4 PD level, I want to say that I hope that 1 PD students are also going to participate in the process. We need 1 PD students to help sort of staff the function. And this also provides the 1 PD students with sort of an early peek at the entire process of the competition. You get to see what it's really all about from almost an insider's perspective. So 1 PD students, there's a lot going on here for you. You need to participate and help support this particular competition.